Hi friends, welcome to the world of most expensive series of Kingdom Information, a place where future billionaires come to get inspired. So, which is the most expensive dog in the world? This title goes to the Red Tibetan Mastiff and was sold for $1.9 million in 2014. The Red Tibetan Mastiff is the most expensive dog right now and is probably going to maintain its title for a while. A property dealer paid 12 million yuan, that's around $1.9 million for a 1-year golden hair mastiff. So, why are these dogs so much valuable? They are used to be called the dogs of God and are only seen deep in the Tibetan mountains. They were even used as war dogs and can grow to be huge, around the size of a big rugby player, and require special attention from the owners. Tell me, if you have around $1.9 million in your bank account, will you buy this huge war dog? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for giving us some time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss another video. Thank you.